My name is Garrett Clark. I am the founder of Roll a Monkey Handcrafted Ice Cream. I serve as the Community Catalyst at the Business Innovation Group and a chairman for the Small Business Development Committee. The Small Business Development Committee has created the Eggs and Excellence 4-part series as a countermeasure to address the largest issue businesses currently face. That is the workforce, obtaining and retaining top talent.
Well, I'm Gloria Struthers, founder and CEO of Exodus Management and Consulting LLC, as well as a certified SCORE business mentor. Well, I covered session 1. It was about the Great Resignation. Is it real? It gives us insight into current state, the problem, and how we begin to craft solutions and get to the root cause analysis or root cause of it.
My name is Lisa Rackley, and I am the Area Director of the University of Georgia Small Business Development Center office located in Macon, Georgia. And my topic was recruiting for small businesses, because recruiting is a challenge for a lot of small business owners in today's market. And so the program covered items and things that small business owners need to think about as they recruit employees.
I'm Valerie McAlvin, and I work for the University of Georgia Small Business Development Center at Georgia Southern University. My session focused on, once we have good talent, how do we keep them there? We also talked about how can we tell if we might lose talent. We really tried to quantify this.
I am an early statistic of the Great Resignation. 5 years ago, my wife and I set out to address what we believe is at the root of the Great Resignation. During this final session, I will be sharing with you some of the key successes that have allowed us to weather an economic crisis in our infancy as a company. Please join me for this final session